Today, I'm gonna teach you Arnis. I'm gonna teach you the 7 basic stances, 12 basic strikes, and 12 basic blocks.
Handa sa pagpugay, pugay po. Arnis basic stances. Attention stance. Stand with feet at 45 degrees angle, heels close together. Open leg stance. Stand with legs spread apart about shoulder width. Straddle leg stance. Spread legs about twice the width of shoulder and bend knees outward. Heels firmly planted and toes planting straight forward. Distribute weight evenly on both legs. Forward stance. Move one leg forward at a distance about twice the width of shoulder and about 30 degrees to the side, and bend front leg at the knee with cane in the center and in fighting form. Rear leg is extended fully with both feet flat on the ground. Back stance. Stand with one foot backward with rear foot toes pointing outward and front foot toes pointing forward so that the 2 feet form an L shape. Rear knee should be a little bent, weight of 70% for the rear leg and 30% for the front leg. Oblique forward stance. This is executed by stepping either foot obliquely forward and obliquely to the left or to the right. Cat stance. The weight distribution is around 90% for the rear leg and 10% only for the front lifting leg. Twelve basic strikes. Stationary position. Left temple. Right temple. Left shoulder. Right shoulder. Stomach thrust. Left chest thrust. Right chest thrust. Right knee. Left knee. Left eye thrust, right eye thrust, head or crown. Right foot forward stance. with footwork. Basic blocks. Stationary position. Left temple block. Right temple block. Left shoulder block. Right shoulder block. Stomach thrust block. Left chest thrust block. Right chest thrust block. Right knee block. Left knee block. Left eye thrust block. Right eye thrust block. Overhead or umbrella block. Right foot forward stance. With footwork.